Using AI to assist in crochet design, a beginner's guide. AI can be a fantastic creative partner in your crochet journey, but it's not a one-click pattern generator. Think of it more like a helpful assistant, great at brainstorming, organizing your ideas, and polishing your final product, but not yet capable of replacing your hands-on expertise. Here's a step-by-step guide to using AI tools like ChatGPT to support your crochet design process, from first spark to final format. Sparkle's Step 1. Brainstorming and idea generation. This is where AI truly shines. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can ask AI to help you explore fresh ideas, themes, and styles. Prompt for inspiration. Give me 4 beginner-friendly crochet ideas with playful textures. Explore trends. What are some popular amigurumi animals trending on Etsy or Instagram? Visualize your concept. While AI can't generate crochet photos, it can describe what your finished item might look like or suggest reference images to create. Define your project. Ask for yarn types, hook sizes, and color palettes. What yarn and hook size would work best for a long, colorful scarf? Thread Step 2. Outlining the pattern structure. AI can help you build a clean, professional-looking pattern layout, especially helpful if you're unsure how to format your instructions. Ask for a template. Create a beginner crochet pattern template with standard headings. Draft basic instructions. Write a pattern for a simple scarf using simple stitches. Note: always treat this as a rough draft. AI-generated patterns often need correction. Add accessibility notes. Include tips for left-handed crocheters or visual learners. Test tube Step 3. Verifying and tech editing the pattern. This step is essential. AI can't test your pattern, only you can do that. Crochet a sample, follow the AI-generated pattern, and note any errors or inconsistencies. Fix stitch logic. Correct this pattern so that the pattern is correct. Clarify terminology. Make sure the pattern uses consistent abbreviations and stitch names. Plan visuals. Ask AI to suggest helpful photos or diagrams. What visuals would help explain the techniques that may be used? Toolbox Step 4. Finalizing and formatting. Once your pattern is tested and refined, AI can help you polish and package it. Write a catchy title and description. Give me 5 playful names for a rainbow-themed crochet scarf. Proofread for clarity. Check this pattern for grammar, spelling, and abbreviation consistency. Create a PDF layout. Use Canva or Google Docs to format your pattern. AI can help with the text, but you'll do the design. Schematic logic. Ask for help with stitch multiples, row progressions, or grading logic. Content packaging. Generate hashtags, social captions, and branding ideas for your pattern release. Enjoy your finished project. As a bonus, here are 10 more great prompts to try. Here are some beginner-friendly prompts to get you started. 1. Give me 5 beginner crochet project ideas using worsted weight yarn. 2. Create a pattern template with headings and notes for accessibility. 3. Write a short tutorial script for making a magic ring. 4. Suggest color palettes for a cozy fall-themed crochet blanket. 5. Fix this pattern so the stitch count increases evenly each round. 6. Write a playful title and description for a frog-themed amigurumi. 7. What visuals would help explain how to crochet a puff stitch? 8. Proofread this pattern and check for consistent stitch abbreviations. 9. Generate hashtags for a crochet pattern launch on Instagram. 10. Explain how to grade a crochet sweater pattern for multiple sizes. I hope this marks the beginning of your AI journey, inspiring you to discover even more ways to weave it into your creative pursuits.